My name is Saloni Kailash Marothe, BSc second year. Today's presentation topic is preparation of aldehydes in online intracollegiate seminar competition for BSc second third semester 2021 organized by Lokmanya Tilak Mahavidyalaya Vani collaboration with Okta. Let's we see Introduction. Aldehydes compound containing AR or RCHO group. Aldehydes containing carboxylic functioning group. If aldehydes containing ARCHO group, such aldehydes are said to be the aromatic aldehydes. For example, benzyl aldehydes, and second is the naphtholic aldehydes. And if aldehydes containing RCHO group, such aldehydes are said to be the aliphatic aldehydes. For example, acetyl aldehydes, and second is the propyl aldehydes. Let's we see the preparation of the aldehydes. Preparation of the there are the plenty methods are available in preparation of aldehydes, but in syllabus only 4 methods are given. First, oxidation of the primary alcohol. Second, decomposition of the primary alcohol. Third, reduction of the acetic chloride. And last 4 is distillation of calcium salt of acetic acid and calcium formate. Let's we see the first, oxidation of primary alcohol. Ethanol on oxidation in presence of oxidation agent potassium dichromate and dilute. Acid leads to octahydrate along with the lubrication of the water. This H and this carbon and this hydrogen and this oxygen combine with this oxygen and lubrication of the water, and this rest compound is the octahydrate. Let's now we see second, decomposition of the primary alcohol. Ethanol on decomposition in presence of copper metal at high temperature of 573 Kelvin given as octahydrate with hydrogen gas liberation. This hydrogen and this carbon, this hydrogen and this oxygen lubrication of the hydrogen gas, and all rest gas liberation and rest compound is octahydrate. Let's we see the third, reduction of the acetic chloride. Acetic chloride on the reduction with hydrogen in presence of the PDBaSO4 catalyst given octahydrate along with the hydrochloric acid, ClCH hydrochloric acid, and rest compound is the octahydrate. Let's see the last distillation of the calcium salt and acetic acid and calcium formate. Mixture of calcium salt of acetic acid and calcium formate on distillation given 2 moles of acetic chloride and 2 moles of the calcium carbonate. Let's we see this reaction. Dot circle O C double bond O, and OCRO is calcium carbonate, and all rest compound is HC3, and this H and this is octahydrate.